gonna take forever. Isn't there a faster way? I can't take it. My microwave is so slow. I wish there was some way that there could be a faster one. Oh. When will technology be better?
There is a faster way. It's called the microphone. We love this appliance. It only takes 1 second, just 1 second, and your food is done. Please call now on the screen because this is not sold in stores. This is a lifetime warranty guaranteed. So please call now. We take all major credit cards, even cash. Awesome, huh? It's only 5 easy payments of $39.99. And get yours today. Yeah! We can all get one for a really cheap price. Act now and I'll send you a kitty. Yeah! Alright.
Yay! Thank you, Mega Microwave. Okay, so the food that I remember, that made me remember something was the pigs in the blanket. Me and my mom, when we were really little, one time we were making the pigs in the blanket, in the living room, with the pan and everything, and we were watching Full House. So now every time when I watch Full House, I think of the pigs in the blanket. Alrighty, great challenge, whoever it was.